Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the June MyNB box. So let's get started. This time the box is in bright royal blue color with some water pattern print. It kind of looks like the swimming pool water shining in the sun. Quite appropriate for the summers, I would say. Inside we have some leaflets which I would show towards the end of the video. The first product I can see inside is from Skin Yoga. This is the Marigold Foot Soap, which is 100% natural moisturizer, fragrance free, preservative free and paraben free. A 100-gram product worth 695. In the ingredients it has marigold petals, sea salt and pure coconut oil. This is actually my bonus product which I got by applying a code while placing the order. That code has actually expired, but there are some amazing discounts available now. I leave all the discount codes in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Now moving on to the products inside the June NB box. The first product is this Vetro Power Footwear Protection Sample. This is a 25 ml which is valid for one pair only. It's actually a protective water repellent spray for your footwear, so definitely a very useful product for. Then the next product is from Votva and it is the After Sun Mist of 50 ml. As you can see, it has a lot of good ingredients in it and the cost of this product is 500 rupees. This is something that helps in reducing redness and your after sun burns, and this face mist is 100% natural, which is a total thumbs up for me. So I would say another unusual yet a very essential product for summers. I have a lot of sunscreens lying at my house but nothing like this, so quite happy to receive this. Then I have two makeup products from Essence. First is this beautiful bright royal blue color mono eyeshadow. The shade number is 81 and the name is I Am Royalty, as it's a royal blue color. The price of this is 199 and it's a 2.5 gram product. This is how the shade looks up close. Quite nice pigmentation. And the shade is glittery, not matte. And the second makeup product from Essence is this beautiful sheer pink gel nail paint with these holographic sparkles inside it. I hope you can see that. This is so reminding me of Barbies and fairies. Let me apply it on one of my fingers. I just could not resist. So it can also be applied as a top coat, as I have applied it here. It gives a good shine and colorful hint to your nail color. And this is definitely a fast drying formula with gel kind of finish. The cost of this is 199 rupees, same as the other product. And this is a 8 ml product. Quite a pretty bottle too. Then there are two samples from Forest Essentials. I have absolutely loved all their products till date. They're a little expensive but definitely not overpriced. When you use their products, you would realize the difference between other products and their luxurious ones. And the ingredients list, they totally explain the price tag. Here we have the Kumkumadi Teenage Night Cream and the Iladi Teenage Day Cream. The day cream has a SPF 30 as well, and these are 4 gram samples each, so would last you at least a couple of uses. Here are the directions and ingredients listed, and here is something about the brand. Quite happy to receive these two. I think the box is empty. No, there's something else. This is a perfume sample from Calvin Klein, and this is a luxurious brand again. This is the Eternity Intense, and this is a 1.2 ml sample. In the leaflets we have one from the Vetro Power with a discount code of 20%. There are two gift vouchers worth 500 each, which is valid on a purchase of 3000 rupees. This is another card from Vetro. An offer on Essence products as well, where you get a eyeshadow applicator worth $149 free with a purchase of $4.99. I'll leave all the discount coupons in my description box below. And this is the info card for the prices. The Vetro Power Footwear Protection of the 25 ml in the box costs 600 rupees. The Forest Essentials samples of 4 grams cost 245 and 264. So quite expensive, as I told earlier. The Voto Sun Mist is for 500 rupees, as we already read. We read the prices of the Essence Nail Paint and the Essence Eyeshadow. The fragrance from Calvin Klein is the first one, and the full size of 100 ml costs 5,800 rupees. So we have got a sample of 1.2 ml, so that would be something around 60-70 rupees. So these are all the products inside my June My Envy box. Overall, I am quite happy with the box and the products I received. As they claim to be a luxury subscription box, they have included 3 samples and a deluxe size sample from luxurious brands. Also, they have sent 2 full-size makeup products from Essence to fill up the box. Even though Essence is quite affordable, they do offer good quality products, I can assure you that. I also like the fact that they have sent a couple of unique products which I haven't tried before. Because I feel that's the whole concept behind subscription boxes, that you get to try new brands and products. So I'm definitely satisfied as a customer and think that the box is totally worth buying if you would like to try some new products or luxury products at a lesser cost. That's my take on this box. Do let me know your opinion about this box and these brands in the description box, and pour in some love by hitting that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.